Welcome back to my channel Naya Safar. Today's journey was not ordinary. It was Naya Safar. New journey, the fresh beginning of new chapter in my life. On 2nd May 2024, Institute of Pharmacy Nirma University organized an industrial visit to AccuLife Healthcare Private Limited. Students of B.Pharm 6M 3rd year, M.Pharm students of Regulatory Affairs were headed by two senior faculties of Nirma University Institute of Pharmacy, Dr. Daivat Pariksar and Dr. Charmi Kothari ma'am. From institute, our two buses were arranged for transportation to AccuLife Healthcare Private Limited. Let's learn about importance of having such industrial visit for students till we reach the plant. These type of industrial visits are very important as they teach students the practical aspects of whole processes with their theoretical knowledge. Any branch graduate student will agree that a balance of theoretical and practical knowledge is important for a successful student. Every pharmacy college has a standard PCI syllabus for gaining theoretical knowledge. For a successful pharmacy graduate student, only theoretical knowledge is not important. Practical knowledge and skills play equally a major role. Especially for pharmacy student, only theoretical knowledge is not enough. Practical knowledge is also required for individual enhancement. The companies can get physically and practically skilled employees in future, and for this industrial visit and industrial internships play a major role. Every college should arrange an industrial visit for overall development and enhancement of students. Now, moving ahead, let's describe about AccuLife Healthcare Private Limited in few words. AccuLife Healthcare Private Limited has been associated with the healthcare sector since over last 30 years from now. It has been leading position in one of the largest economies of the world. They are consistently manufacturing many pharma products for well-being of the society. By acquiring a 20-year-old parental giant, AccuLife began its operation in 2006 with parental preparations and now has expanded to many manufacturing facilities and units. It offers injectables, tablets, capsules, syrups and ointments as formulations. Over the years, AccuLife has grown from strength to strength and reached an unmatched annual production capacity of parental fluids and various sterile formulations. AccuLife is today one of the Asia's largest integrated manufacturers of life-saving products, medical devices, pharmaceutical formulations, and healthcare-related products. AccuLife is a pioneer of high-quality healthcare products accessible for the masses and a nurturer of millions of lives across the world. Now we have reached AccuLife Healthcare Limited plant. So now let's describe my journey, my experience for this industrial visit. So as we entered, all students who came for visit were divided into 3 groups and I was in group 2. So we were heading towards unit 5. Before beginning of whole description of process, I would tell you that these areas are very confidential and so phones were not allowed it. So whole videography is not shown, only flowchart is shown for whole process. So after reaching unit 5, we were headed to clean room where we were taught procedure to wear cap and leg wear. Then we went to material receipt machine where they explained whole process of raw material screening, taking to the next approved raw material room where they stored raw material till QC department audit it. Before describing about next process, if you have not subscribed our channel till now, please subscribe it. After that raw material are taken to machine room where manufacturing process begins. After that raw material gets processed and converted into products. Then products are taken to laminar test area. Reject area of any product is where that does not matches the quality and last, under taste area. Then products are taken to packaging room, where they label the products manually. The label were divided into 3 sections: quarantine, under taste and approved. The label depends upon material status. If they are stored in packaging room for quality checks, then label of quarantine should be there. If sample are kept under taste observations, then label would be under taste. And if sample passes all quality checks, then label would be approved. After that approval, samples are transferred to approved packaging room. Label room. Label room is where storage area is included to maintain certain temperature for specific products. Then material transfer area, dispensing area and dispatching area. At last, they are released from the release room. So this is the basic procedure or process of any sample dispatch in pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities. So this was my experience in Aculife Healthcare Private Limited. Here I end the video with a message that this type of industrial visit really helpful for pharmacy students. And special thanks to Aculife Healthcare Private Limited and Institute of Pharmacy, Nirma University. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share this video to others. Let's meet in next video.